In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post journal in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to enter the details so your books stay accurate and clean. Start by opening your browser and signing in to your QuickBooks account. Once you're on the dashboard, make sure you're in the correct company file and the correct accounting period. It's a good habit to confirm the book closing date and your user permissions if you're working in a shared environment. With that set, you're ready to navigate to the area where new transactions are created. Next, look for the Create or New button. Depending on your layout, this might appear as a plus icon at the top or in the left sidebar labeled New or Create. Click it, and from the list of transaction types, choose Journal Entry. This is the tool you'll use for manual adjustments, reclasses, and entries your accountant may have provided. Keep in mind, journal entries affect your financial statements directly, so only proceed when you know which accounts and amounts are involved. If you're unsure, pause and confirm with your accounting documentation before you post. Now fill out the journal entry form and save. Start by setting the date to the period you want to affect. QuickBooks will assign a journal number automatically, but you can edit it if your organization follows a specific numbering convention. In the first line, choose the account you want to debit and enter the amount in the debit column. In the next line, choose the account you want to credit and enter the matching amount in the credit column. Debits and credits must balance to 0 before the entry can be saved. Use the description or memo field to explain the purpose of the entry so anyone reviewing later understands the context. If you're posting to accounts receivable or accounts payable, be sure to select the related name so the subledger ties out. If your company uses class or location tracking, assign those here as well. Attach supporting documents if needed to keep your audit trail complete. Before saving, double-check the accounts, signs, and amounts. Make sure you're not duplicating an entry and that the date falls in an open period. When everything looks right, choose Save and Close to Finish, or Save and New if you have another adjustment to record. You'll see a confirmation and the journal will post to your books immediately. That's it. Go to QuickBooks, click Create, then enter the journal details and save. Keep your notes clear, balance your totals, and you'll post with confidence every time.